top of our garden, just enjoying the little bit of sunshine that we've got this morning. Not particularly warm, but just for 10 minutes it's just lovely to experience the real sun. And I've brought up with me some fabric because this arrived today, and I'm hoping, well, I am going to make a jacket. This is the fabric for the jacket. It's got a pink background and some blue check with a little bit of green in it. I want to make a Chanel style jacket, so I wanted to be able to bind the edges, and this seems to be exactly the right colour. And also I will line the jacket with this cotton. Because I can't wear wool, it's quite difficult to get jackets that don't have wool in them, and this fabric, luckily, that I got doesn't have any wool, so I shall have a go at making that. It doesn't have a collar, so hoping that it won't be too difficult to make. The other thing that I'm planning to make this week is an apron, because I think sometimes I will need an apron when I'm cooking, and this is the apron that I'd used until it got sort of relegated to my art apron, and it's just full of paint now. But the pattern is nice, it has a nice wrap round and it has a pocket. And I have some material here that I thought would work very well as an apron. And I have another small piece as well. So I think I've got plenty there to make myself a cooking apron, which I promised to myself I will not use for painting. So that's going to be my tasks this week. I need to finish cutting out the pattern for the jacket and the material, and then this apron sew probably will only take me about an hour, so I'll probably finish that this afternoon. So this is an hour and a half later, and I've completed the apron. I'm quite pleased with it. And it's lovely to be standing in the garden surrounded by flowers, evening including. I've just noticed the snowdrops have come out, so I do feel that spring's round the corner. But now all I need to do is to think of something to cook. So I'll see you next time with my apron on.